So Duke and I are at the Gloucester Dog Park. We're in a special area where it's only your own dog that's allowed. It's called Tino's Corner. So this is for dogs that aren't quite ready to be with other dogs or have issues with other dogs. So they get the whole place to themselves. So here's the small dog area. And he has an audience. And then on the other side of that is for the larger dogs. So it's a beautiful place. And it's a good size area. And of course it's the little dogs that like to start the issues, huh? Michael, play. Okay. No, I'm just gonna stay and sniff. We did a home visit for another rescue this morning, and he did fantastic. They have older kids, starting like from around, I don't know, around maybe 11, and he was really good with them. He'd love a home with a fenced-in yard. Gotta chase all those squirrels and chipmunks and everything else that digs and burrows. He's really good with even meeting strangers. He just goes right up to people and sits automatically, and he just lets them, you know, pat him, and he was great with the kids. Always the little ones.